everyone, my name is Murthy. I'm a digital marketing executive. Today we are going to see how to create a lead campaign in Meta Ads. First, go to Meta Ads Manager. Click on the create button to start a new campaign. Meta will ask you to choose the campaign objective. Now select lead and continue. Now we are in campaign level. Type a campaign name. So we are going to do DM campaign and digital marketing campaign. So we are going to do DM leads. Next, budget. Daily budget we are going to give 500. Click on next. Now we are in ad set. Ad set name also same name, DM leads. After we have to select goal, so instant form. To collect the information we should select instant form. Next we have to select goal, maximum number of leads. We need maximum number of leads, so you can select whichever it is, maximum number of leads or maximum conversion leads. Now we are in audience targeting. Select your target audience based on location, age, gender, interest, like that. So first, location. You can type where do you want to show your ad. Location, like Mysuru. I want to show digital marketing ads in Mysuru location. You can see the location is showing. After that, show more controls. You can see minimum age and language, so you can select your language. English, Kannada. After, show suggestion. Here also you can select a age, like minimum age and maximum age to reach people. Maximum age I am selecting 45. It will only show for 45 age members only. And gender also you can select. Detail targeting, it's an interest. For example, if you are promoting a digital marketing course, you can target people interested in marketing, business and online jobs, like that. So you can select type a digital marketing. You can select like this. and you can also select social media marketing. Social media marketing. Next, placement. You can select automatic placement, so Meta can show your ads on Facebook, Instagram and other platforms. Next, we are in ad. So this is where you are also creating your ads, how people want to see your ads, what is the content, what is the video, like that. Now we are going to see how to create a lead form. Here it is, create form. Click on the create form. So on the time you can see the how to create a lead form. First, form name DM lead form. You can write a name, and if you want to OTP, you can also give OTP. Click on next. This is intro. If you want it, you can add it. Here you have to type about your company or what kind of ads you are running, like this, like that, or what kind of benefits you are giving. Otherwise, if you don't want this, you can turn off this button and click on next. Next, you can add a questions like multiple choice. You can give multiple choice. You can ask for any questions. Are you graduated? Graduated, yes or no. And the time they can fill the form, yes or no answers. You can see that in your receiving leads. Again, if you want to continue with your multiple choice, you can. Otherwise, short answer is there. So here, where are you from? Now you can see here short answer. They have to fill the that location, Mysore or Bangalore, like that. Next, go down. Here you have to tell your audience to why they are filling the form. Like marketing purpose, we are using for marketing purpose. And otherwise you can give your names, mobile number. You can drag and drop how it is should be hard in order, like name, mobile number, email, like that. Again, click on next. Here it is privacy policy option. You can turn off this policy. Again next, and the time you can see the ending. After submit the form, they can see this. Thank you, all set. In description you can tell thank you for your interest in our digital marketing course, like that you can type. After that, after submission, where they have to go. So if you want to go to website, you can give. Otherwise, I'm giving chat on. You can click on website. So you have to give the website link. I will give. IPCS Global. After that, you can select this publish. Your lead form is ready. It will show here. After that, we are going to select which video you are using for your ad. Select creativity, you can select video ad. If you are selecting image, you can select image, otherwise you can select video. Select your video. I am selecting digital marketing video. Click on next. Here you have to type primary text, headline and description. It will show on your ads. Now you can write a primary text for your video. And next, headline. Become a digital marketing expert. And description like 100% placement. And placement support is available. And sign up button is, this is call to action. On your ad it will show one button, like you can select that button, apply now, get offer, like this also. I am selecting apply now. After that, click on next. Done. Now your ad is ready. After that, review all the details what you did. Is there is any missing details is there, like that. After that, click on publish. It will publish your ad. That's how you can create a meta ads lead generation campaign step by step. Thank you.